Hello. So today we have our 19-inch photographic kit. When you receive this, you will open and find your light and portable tripod. This tripod is very light. You can easily take it with you when you are hiking, camping, if you are even just going on a lovely date, stargazing. You can take your nice light tripod and look into the stars. So to set this up, you just need to pull the legs outwards into a triangle shape and position it on a surface near you. So we today are going to look at the lovely temple in the lake, and we can see this using our binoculars. To put your binoculars onto your tripod, you need your tripod adapter. So first thing, you place your tripod adapter onto the head of your tripod, and you use the screw at the bottom, just here, screw, okay, to screw your tripod adapter into place. So, once your adapter is nice and tight, okay, your screw is locked nice and tight, you can add your binoculars, okay. So, you screw your tripod adapter into the screw hole of the binoculars, just like this. And then you have your binoculars firmly positioned in place. So you can then set your tripod onto the surface you would like, so that you can see the item you are looking at. Today we are going to see the temple over there. So I positioned our tripod in line for the temple. Next, we have our phone adapter just here. So, if you want to take videos or photos using your phone, you can just position your phone onto this adapter. To do this, you need to unscrew this screw to widen this and set your phone securely inside. So just keep unscrewing until you think this gap is large enough for your phone. Maybe here. Nope, a bit more. Just keep unscrewing. When you have enough room for your phone, you can slot your phone in position, making sure that you are not covering any buttons of your phone. And then you can tighten the screw back so your phone is secure and will not fall out of place. So, phone secure in your phone adapter. You can then position the camera hole over your phone's camera. So unscrew this so that you can move your camera hole adapter. Make sure that you look on your phone. Okay, right now you cannot see clearly, so you need to position your adapter over the camera, over your phone camera, so that the hole is over the camera and you can see. As I am doing here, I position and then tighten. Okay, so position the hole over your phone camera and tighten the screw. With this in place, you can see on my phone everything is clear and visible. So now you are ready to place your phone and camera over your binoculars. To do this, make sure you turn this lock to the left so that it is open and you are able to position clearly. Then, with your phone on your binoculars, make sure that you tighten to the right so that your phone remains securely on your binoculars. So, with your phone nicely attached, you can then position your binoculars at the item you want to view. Zoom in on your phone to make the circle disappear, and you are ready. So you can either take pictures on your phone with the normal button. Same with your video setting. Zoom in and you can start your video. Or you can use our next item in our box, the remote shutter. To do this, open the box and remove your shutter. You'll need to go onto your phone settings on Bluetooth. Okay, you need to turn on your remote shutter and make sure that you connect and pair your devices. With this being done, you can go back onto your camera, get the photo ready, and with an iPhone you can press this big button or this small button for an Android, and your photo has been captured. The same with your video. Go onto your video setting, position how you would like, press the same button, will start your video. You can then move your binoculars, have a look at some other things. If you're stargazing, you may like to look at the stars or the moon. When you are finished taking your video, press the same button and your video has been taken. Thank you very much.